Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a PS4 controller. So, to start off with our controller, we want to begin with the two little joysticks. So, I'm going to start off by making a small circle right here. And then I'm going to put another small circle over here. And I want to try to line it up best I can with that circle. And I want to make sure that's about the same size. So it kind of looks like two eyes right now. Then, inside of here, I'm going to draw another circle. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the side. Now, underneath here, I'm going to draw a big smiley face shape, like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing underneath this one. That's just going to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. Then, right in between these, I'm going to draw a straight line. Now, let's work on the handles. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down, and then it's going to curve back up like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down. Make sure I try to line it up with the other one, and then it's going to curve back up. Then I'm going to bring this all the way up here and curve it around. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this one. I'm going to bring it up and then just kind of curve it around. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down on the end of each of them. And then I'm just going to draw a line in between these to connect them. Next, down here, I'm going to draw a little curved line at the bottom of each of these handles. Next, starting up here, I'm going to draw a circle, and I want to make sure that this circle touches the part where the joystick is and then the end of the controller. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to make a nice big circle that curves around and goes like this. Then I want to do the same thing on the other side, so I'm going to try to line it up and then draw a nice big circle that touches the end and then also touches where the joystick is. Next, in here I want to draw the big gamepad. So this is going to come down pretty far and then come back up. So I'm going to go down, curve around, and then I'm going to come back up just like this. Now, inside of here, I want to draw the four buttons. So I'm going to make a small circle here, and then one towards the bottom, and then a circle on each side. Then I'm going to put the little 4 pad over here. So I'm going to draw a couple little lines like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line on each end that goes in towards the center. And then I'm going to put a little V shape at the end of each of them. You might have to adjust the size of these a little bit. Then up here, I'm going to draw the two little buttons for start and option. So I'm just going to put two little ovals on the ends right here. Now, up above here, I'm going to draw two little bumps on each side for the left and right trigger buttons. Then I'm going to draw a little circle right in between here for the PlayStation button. Now, I'm going to put some little dots in here, and this is just kind of like for a little airspace. So I'm going to put about 5 dots there. Then I'm going to go down to 4 dots, and then down to 3 dots. Then I'm going to draw a skinny little oval down here for where you can plug in your headphones. And there you go. There is your drawing of a PS4 controller. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.